A couple weeks ago, I asked you guys whether you say Nike or Nike, and it was about half and half. I have finally decided which side I am on. I will now say Nika. Double snaps for Nika. Let's get started.
Hello, gorgeous.
Today, my very good-looking friends, I will be doing two things. Number one, I'm gonna do logo challenge number 20, and then number two, I'm gonna be working on a few more art tweak screens that are stragglers. Also, I've been called out by the ultimate design authority god, Emil, about how complicated my logos are. So, I will try to keep that in mind, my young friend. I will try. This one comes from Karen Lackey. Ooh. Hey there, Freelance is a company for people just like you, actually. We are an online system that helps freelancers, designers, artists, and all other creative types manage their invoices, time, projects, and communication, client communication, etc. in one suite. What we imagine for the logo is just the text, freelance. We can't think of any icon or symbol that would encompass all creative types. We wouldn't want the logo to be a pen tool icon or some other graphic design specific icon. We need the logo to be versatile in that any freelance person can connect with it. If you can think of an icon that will work, go for it. If not, we'd really love to see just a really clean, type-based logo with our name. Thank you. Karen Lackey, Freelance. Let's see what we can do. 1, 2, Nika.
Okay, so they just want text. They just want a text, which is very boring to me, but whatever, whatever. So I came up with maybe 8 fonts that I liked. Recently, I've developed a deeper appreciation of serif fonts. When I first started in design, all I ever did was sans serif. I guess it was, it's just easier on your brain. But now I deeply appreciate serif fonts, and in fact, I almost prefer them now. Yeah, really. Yeah, it's quite interesting. Anyway, so I got like 8 fonts that I liked, and I put the skinny version in the left column, and then I made like either medium or thick versions in the right column, and then out of those, I chose 4 that I liked to customize. So here you're looking at 2 choices that I've tried to customize. This one, I slanted all the E's up and to the right. I think that's makes it a little bit more unique, customized a little bit, and when you slant the E's up to the right, it just makes it a little bit more fun. And if you're thinking about like freelance, you're progressing and things, then pointing up to the right is, whatever, pretty indicative of it. And then I got this really jingy, really floral font, and it was just too much, so I got rid of stuff. And then I tried to thicken parts that I wanted to be a little bit thicker. This was the third font I thought would be kind of interesting to try. Now I was on to the 4th one. The 4th and the second one, like this one and the one below it, look very similar. There are some differences. Mainly, it's just how condensed they are. The top one's more condensed. So from here on out, I just went like back and forth on all 4 of the ideas, and I tried to put together. Oh, yeah, one thing I wanted to do was I wanted to see if I could put a little bit more of a twist on it, like maybe it's for freelancing in LA, Los Angeles. So I tried to maybe mark that out somehow with either different colors or a little bit of an underline or a background, etc. I wanted to use green because green is energetic and fun, but it seems as though many are all green. So I don't know. I got to a point where I had maybe 6 options, but here they are. Please leave in the comments below which one is your favorite, bro. or which one you would go with, or which one is least terrible. Okay, yeah. So just vote 1 through 6. Personally, I'm leaning toward 1, 4, or 5. 5 not necessarily, just because 5 it looks kind of the most visually interesting to me. I don't know if the box and all the letters are perfect or anything, but I think visually it's kind of fun and interesting. So yeah, I kind of like 1, 4, and 5. So we'll see where they go. But leave your vote in the comments below.
Tick-tock on the clock. This is my finished logo. Mock. Definitely rhymed. I'm certain that it did not please the design god Emil. Okay, Nika. Okay, I gotta finish some extra screens and make the survey section when you sign up. It tells you which color group you'll be put into. I need to mock up that a little bit better, and I think I've fleshed out some pretty cool questions. Quick update to our tweak. Number 1, I had to pause the logo design contest because we need to make everything as fair as possible. And I was using a WordPress plugin on like what we have right now, which is not the app at all. But it was a WordPress plugin, and there just wasn't any security. You could revote after a little while, and I'm pretty sure there were some bots and things. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna wait a little while, and the R-Tweak logo competition will be the first week's design prompt for our awesome design club, R-Tweak. Hopefully that'll be good. Everything will be fair. And a little update how we're doing. I'm working with a developer. We got most of the back-end database system up and running. We're just waiting on a few details. Hopefully we can get to like a beta testing time in about a month. And then I'm thinking about accepting like maybe 100 people to the club to be like beta testers. All right, that's cool. Okay, I finished the extra screens that I needed to. Thank you so much for being here. Let me know in the comments below what you thought about the freelance free pants logo. Okay, stay awesome, possum, and I'll see you later, alligator, tomorrow morning. Bye.